How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about an under the radar company, bigger cap stock over $5, which I like. That I definitely see this bottoming out. I don't know if anyone's seen this, but this one has, it can make some decent moves for my system, and it has recently, it's just been out in 509/2024, and we started way out here at $21, and now we're trading at a low of $6. If you look at the profile, they deal with the software and IT services based in California. So it's good to see that just be like, okay, so they're in the United States. This is not a Chinese stock. It's not a biotech, which are your most riskier ones. But yeah, when I'm seeing this thing, I think we're due for a correction move up. Anywhere you see in the history of this stock, you tend to see what? An EMA 5 to 10. And then we're also due for this 20 way back in 930. We're at 1023, but I'm more interested in this EMA 5 and 10 targets, as those have the most room up. We haven't touched the EMA 10. I don't think we touched it. Okay, we did touch it right here at 1014. The current date is 1023. So this is more of a conservative EMA 5 type of play from here's to the lows. You're looking at to the lower green band, a 16% move. And I try to tell people I love to buy this at the 6 daily candle. This barely missed the EMA 5. You might be like, well, why does all this matter? It's because price reverts to the mean. We know that it doesn't matter how crappy the stock is. It reverts to mean, and we do not just want to get in right away if we touch this ATR4. And the reason why is because price can keep selling off. Look at this. We went from $7, high sevens to like low six. So we definitely want to look into that. The main thing I'd like to look for is, how long do we have from the EMA 5? If we're hugging this ATR 4 band, it's just, much better. And if I look at the news, I don't know. They cut their target price to 18 from $26. SVCO Group. Needham maintains a buy. So if we look at the analysis, we have a strong buy of 83%. We have all these big price targets. I mean, look at that. That's insane. They target cut to 17 from 25. Yeah, the price is $6. I'd be fine. Or I mean, $6. Yeah, I'd be fine with that price target. I mean, I know it's not going to get there, but I'd be totally fine with that. So SVCO, I don't see anything alarming. Let me guys know in the chat if you do. We just see, a lot of price targets were lowered, which is good because analysts are, it's good to see analysts on this thing. It's got demand. So a lot of these price targets are in the $19 to $20 range, and like I said, we have a strong buy signal based on 6 analysts. But I don't base my decision on that. I want to base it on what is my chart saying? Do we have this room to the EMA 5? We do. Do we have decent volume? Yeah, we have decent volume. We're over 500,000. What's our KDJ? 3.99. Yes, it could be lower. Do keep that in mind. Yes, it could, get a little lower, but I'm looking more. This is not bad. Under 5, bigger cap stock. You haven't touched the EMA 5, and like I said, 6 daily candles. Usually on the 7th daily candle, we see that room up. And like I said, just going to that is a 14%. I think this is really nice. We look at the weekly chart. We are sitting around this bottom TR4. Granted, there's not a lot of chart data. I do understand that. This thing was, but as you can see, this does have conservative moves up. If you were able to catch, every time this thing dips, it has that 10% bounce effect. We have this backs down, and then we go up, we go down, we go up, and so I'd say be conservative if you want to get in early. I'm definitely looking into this one. I don't really see anything alarming about it. We have a lot of EMA 20 time distance. One thing if you got in right on this first dip here, and that's why I say you always have to give it time distance if you're using my strategy, and the more times we hug this lower ATR4, the better this strategy is going to be. All right, guys, so that's my analysis on SVCO. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, one of the best out there. You can definitely join by clicking the link down below in the YouTube comments. Scroll down below in the YouTube comments. I'll have it pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And then also it'll be in the description too. You can find it. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. And basically what you want to do is please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to use your computer, which is best because you get a discount by not paying the iOS fee, or you can just use your phone's browser like Google. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you, or trade your accounts. And then if you want to subscribe, the easiest way I tell people is just hit day trade alerts. That's the highest membership, and you'll get your name in gold. It's very cheap, $12 a month, and you get analysis of like this that can make you lots of money. Like I said, just $1,000 into a stock like this, making 10%, you're up $100. More money you put in, the more you can gain. You do the math, and like I said, we have a lot of education videos. I really want you guys to watch all these videos. We have a chat GPT, how to properly accumulate the reversals, how to use the indicators, how to trade options. And then my favorite, and the reason why I recommend day trading, I like day trading the most. It makes the most profitable. If you have small amount of money, you can make more amount. And that's why I like the day trading the most, because you don't have to have big amount. Swing trading, you got to have a decent amount, right? Because you need to accumulate. But if you go to the server shop, you can read about it, how to trade like a pro. Like I said, $12 a month, it's a steal compared to what services I paid for in the past, and I compiled it all into one. And this strategy wins over 90%. I think it's awesome. Yeah, I think you guys are gonna like it. $12 a month, very nice service. And this is my analysis on SVCO. I am very bullish on it. I waited it out. I mean, being patient is the hardest thing. You can definitely see like kind of a looking doji candle, kind of a looking hammer candle. The sellers are definitely dying out. You're not seeing big volume of sellers coming in. You see how this volume of 4 million. The sellers died out, and I think the buyers are going to pick this up. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Hope to see you in the Discord, and peace out.